Russell has been weaker since this point, and I mean, this is a bear market. This is minus 20% or so. So from here, what do we see? We don't necessarily see good rallies within this structure. They are definitely weaker than the market. But then suddenly, on this day, we started to improve. And then suddenly, today, we are outperforming. Why is that? Why would the weakest asset perform like that? So I think what's going on is that we have somewhat of a rotation happening. And I think that we are going away from oil and energy into everything that's basically undervalued short term, right? So into undervalued assets. What are those? Well, Bitcoin comes to mind almost instantly. Has been undervalued for some time. Good pickup. We'll talk about Bitcoin. Then markets in general, and specifically within the markets, we're seeing also the rotation right there within the markets, right? So rotation into the Dow and Russell. So small caps suddenly are behaving better. And if we are going to have the rally, my expectation for Russell is that it's going to outperform. So that's my kind of current call. A rally, outperformance by Russell, and there is a specific way of how I would be viewing Russell to kind of go into where? Into the area of the previous breakdown right here. This is the most important bar in this whole structure since the buying climax. It's that break to the downside. I mean, obviously, this is a very important bar for sure, but the most immediate important bar is that. So I'm thinking that we probably gonna start approaching this area in somewhat of an aggressive manner, because with all of the bearish sentiment that I sense, those short sellers will have to capitulate at some point. There is still some hope that we are producing the bearish structure, and we might be. But for now, short term, the rally is unfolding. And I think that it's going to continue until that whole bearish sentiment is wiped out.